My name is Cat B, and I'm here to take part in this inclusion workshop and hopefully have some fun and hopefully get the students to have some fun as well.
Day one was quite a challenge, to be fair, because obviously I haven't performed and done a lot of drama games and things like that in a while, for about 2 years, because of lockdown and COVID and things like that, and kind of growing up and moving away from it. So it was a real eye-opener just to get back into the swing of things, and I was shattered after day one.
I found day one fun. It was a lot harder than I expected it to be, but it was very practical, and I had a lot of fun, and everyone was very creative in what they said and stuff. Yesterday was really good. It definitely got me out of my comfort zone because it's not what we usually do at work, but I definitely think it benefited us and the rest of my team.
Yesterday was a struggle, but because I don't have the confidence enough for stuff like that, but I did enjoy the acting part.
I thought it was so fun, but it was a bit hard because it was like nerve-wracking, but the acting was really made it like amazing.
Yeah, it was good, interesting. I didn't know I was going to do some like singing as well, so that pushed me out of the comfort zone, so it was good. Put me in a bit of a different area that I'm not very confident in.
Yesterday I found it like really fun, but in the morning it was like a bit awkward, everyone was acting a bit like shy. But then like by the afternoon after lunch, we just all had fun and had like a really good like laugh with each other.
I really enjoyed it, to be fair. Like when we first started, I was really nervous and quite, but then by the end of the day I was letting my hair down and enjoying myself.
I really enjoyed myself. I thought it was really good. I could see by the end everyone was really tired, which is understandable because they're not used to it. But they filled my heart with a lot of joy knowing that they put their all into it. And I can see a lot of them were nervous at times. Some of them, I could read their body language, they were a bit but all in all the different stuff that we did, they put their all into it. So yeah, I was really happy.
Trade secret.
So our last 2 days we came up with a production that involves singing, acting and dancing. It has definitely got everyone out of the comfort zone. Some people enjoy one side of it but not the other, but we've all had a mix and we've all been able to see where our strongest points are in performing and where our weakest points are, and now we can develop on them.
This morning I thought it was going to be scary again, but it was actually better than I thought, so I'm quite sad that it's over so quick. The actual performance, it went as bad as I thought it was going to be, so that kind of like helped with nerves a lot.
I feel a lot more confident. Like I was very nervous this morning, but throughout the day I felt a lot less nervous and anxious. I feel like today, to make me feel less anxious, I wasn't as bothered about what people were thinking and like didn't realise that people wasn't staring at you all the time. I thought the program at the beginning, we were all like shy and kept looking at me like what we're doing. But then like at the end I feel like we've all grown in confidence a lot. Kat, he's like we bounced off his energy. He's like, come on, you've got this, you've got this. We felt like we had it, and we had him, and like, you know, saying, you've got it, you know. So that's what I thought of it.
I feel great that I've done it and that I haven't given up, and that's the main thing that I thought of. What I've enjoyed the most about 2 days would have to be the acting, because obviously that's what I prefer more than dancing.
My favourite memory from the programme is probably when everyone came together and they kind of sorted their differences aside to make sure that the show could go on again.
From these 2 days, I'll take back my motivation to Gullivers and my being interactive with the children really. I think our event is really needs high energy all day, all for the 3 days, and what I've learned here will obviously go towards that.
Favourite bit of the day? Today was probably, but yeah, I guess the singing then. In terms of personal growth and whatnot, it was good to get out of the comfort zone and step into it.
What have I enjoyed the most about the project? That all 9 participants that took part on both days. There was no one dropping out, which I was fearful of, and they just finished performing and were amazing. I hope they continue to do more great things and don't just stop there. And it doesn't have to be used in the realm of performing arts, it can be just used in any job that they get. There's stuff that the audience didn't even get to see today that they shared with each other, which was just like, and in 2 days, from 0 to heroes they've become. So yeah, I can't say anything apart from they're just brilliant, and thank you for letting me come and do this project. I'm just like, I'm smashed because you're amazing. That's all I can say. The Source, you're amazing. Thank you. Security coming. Security coming. I'm not actually Cat B. I stole his identity and now I've got to go. Thank you though. Bye.